Right, so in today's video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can safely kill off your old lawn in preparation for a brand new lawn that's going to be absolutely perfect. Because to get the perfect lawn, you need to destroy whatever old lawn you currently have. And you only need one product to make that happen, and that is Roundup. The main ingredient in Roundup is glyphosate, and what that does is when applied, it destroys the entire plant, the leaf, but also the root system too. Not just the grass plants you have, but also any weeds that might be lurking in your lawn. Before you apply it, you're going to want to figure out how big your lawn is. So just take your length and your width and multiply them, and that's your area in square meters. And then from there, you can look at the instructions on Roundup, and it quite literally shows you the instructions for lawn destruction, and work out exactly how much you need. And what you'll find is it's a lot less than you probably think you're going to need to apply. But don't stress, it is more than enough to destroy all the grass plants and all the weeds that you might have. Before you apply this, what I would recommend is maybe the day before, put some water in your sprayer that you're going to use and apply it to the lawn just to see how many litres you need to actually do a couple of passes across your space. And that's exactly how much water you're going to need for your lawn. And just a few other things to be mindful of as well. Get some wellies on, get some waterproof clothing on too, where possible, just to prevent that Roundup from touching your skin. If a little bit gets onto your finger, you're not going to die, but don't start like showering yourself in it and throwing it all over the place, because it's a chemical and it's designed to kill stuff, specifically to kill living things, and you are a living thing. So once it's mixed up into your sprayer, it's time to apply. But just one word of caution: do not cut your lawn before you do this process. And that's because the Roundup is absorbed by the leaf of the plant. If you scalp your lawn right back, because trust me, I've made this mistake myself in the past, it's not going to be nearly as effective. So leave the grass plants that you have, spray the entire thing. It'll destroy all the grass plants or the weeds that you might have, and you'll notice that after 1, 2, 3 days, nothing will appear to have happened. And even after 4 or 5 days, it might look as if the product isn't working, but it is. What happens is when the leaf absorbs the glyphosate, that glyphosate is transferred to the entirety of the plant, all the roots, all the leaf, and it'll be doing its thing. It'll take some time for that plant to show visible signs of dying, and that's when it starts to turn yellow. And after 1 week, you should start to see yellowing in maybe spaces or even in the entirety of the lawn, depending on how much sunlight it gets. The more sunlight your lawn's in, the faster it's going to work. After a week and a half, it's going to look a little bit like this, and after 2 weeks, everything will be completely yellow. However, after 1 week, the lawn is pretty much ready for a renovation. Even if you still have some plants that look a little bit green, it doesn't matter, because that glyphosate is in the entirety of the plant, like we've already said. And even if you take off the growth after a week, that root system below will still have the glyphosate in, which is going to destroy the roots, and they'll just decompose into the soil. And don't stress about the glyphosate damaging any of the new seedlings that you're going to be establishing as your new lawn, because what Roundup does, or specifically glyphosate does, is it degrades into the soil, so it's not going to have any lasting impact on the new lawn you're about to establish. So there we go. That is part 1 of this renovation series done. The lawn is now dead, and in the second video, what we're going to be doing is going over how to prepare the soil properly, because arguably that is the single most important step in the entire renovation. So give the video a like if you've enjoyed it or found it useful. Let me know in the comments section below if you're going to follow along with this series, and subscribe if you want to see the next part, or if you haven't subscribed already, because there's loads of lawn tip videos on this channel. And finally, thanks for watching.